Today's video, we're getting our shit together for June. This is a June reset. We are adding up the finances, we're preparing for the next month, and we are trying to just get in a good routine. And I'm going to share with you guys how I do that. Hi guys, so today's video is a monthly reset. We are just trying to get organized this month because it's summer. I'm so excited, but we have some plans coming up. We need to get our finances right. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. This isn't going to be in detail of what I do with my finances because I think that could be a separate video. I am in a good bit of debt, so this book has helped me so much. This is a Law of Attraction budget planner. I love it so much that I actually bought my boyfriend one. Let me show you what his looks like. His is brand new. I just ordered it. It's not too late to get right with your finances, y'all. So I know it's 6 months into the new year, but like you still have 6 more months to turn it around. This one is like the most plain dudish one I could find. So it's just black and it has a line on it. Honestly, there's a whole like guidebook on how to do this, and I honestly have never read the book. I want to, that's my plan. It comes with a book, it's called The Millionaire Secrets. It will just go over how to use the book and just some money mindset beliefs and things like that. And there's quotes in here. There are areas where you can write old habits, new habits, and then there's also a little portion of writing affirmations. So there's lots of good things that you can do, and it'll show you actually how to like budget and write percentages of things. But honestly, I just have used it to write down what I'm spending and what I'm making every month because I am a server. So what I make every month isn't consistent. So this helps me just learn where my money is going and how much I am making, and it's helped me so much without even doing the rest of the stuff. I've learned a lot just by keeping track of my finances. So the book also comes with stickers, and I actually use these all over my book for work, my serving book. I put stickers that it came with, and it's just basically money affirmation stickers that says my financial future is secure, things like that. So it's a great book. It's $30. I will link it below if you guys are interested. Even if you don't utilize the book to its full potential, I think it's helped me so much with my finances. I think you need to know where your finances are going and how much, you know, it just helps you put in perspective of like, oh my gosh, I spent $200 on Chipotle this month. That's a true story. I've done that. This is my second one. I absolutely love it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add up my finances from May. I'm obviously not gonna share that part because I think it is a little personal, but I can if you guys really want me to. But I'm gonna add all that up and see where I'm at for this month, and we're gonna get that started. And then I have my big board that I got this at, I think, TJ Maxx like years ago. But it's just a dry erase board that I like to just put also like credit cards that are due on these dates so I can see it every day. Not that I don't look at my book every day, it's just another way to look. So I'm gonna do that. And then some of the things I'm trying to do this month for like myself is to get a better routine, and I have slowly been trying to like go walking every day, and I've been walking about 3 miles a day. Luckily, if it's like weather permitted, it's been a little up and down today, but I have been trying to do that, and been eating breakfast. That's something I usually don't do. I just never have been a big breakfast person, but I found these sausage patties, which like probably aren't very healthy for you, but they're gluten-free, so I can eat them. I don't have a lot of options for breakfast because I can't have eggs and I can't have gluten and I can't have dairy. So I'm gonna start doing more series of like what I eat in a day too, if you guys are interested. But I found these sausage patties. They kind of taste like McDonald's sausage patties, and I know that they probably aren't like real sausage patties, but I like them. And I put them in the microwave, which I know it's probably not the healthiest thing, but I also was eating gluten-free waffles today. I don't love eating those every day, but like it's nice if you want something sweet and you're craving, you know, things that you usually can't have if you are on a restricted diet like mine. Mine's not by choice, it's my intolerances, but you know, if you have intolerances, there's options. So I've been trying to do like a glow up series on TikTok, but I think I might do it here on YouTube instead. But I've just been trying to do healthy habits. I've been trying to read a little bit of a book every day, trying to get into bed when I can a little bit earlier. You know, even though last night I stayed up till 1. We're not perfect over here, but it's just things that I'm trying to do, trying to just get a routine and be more productive on my days off. And something that I've noticed too is just like doing my makeup and washing my face like first thing in the morning helps me build momentum because I feel better, and I feel like more ready to accomplish the day. So I've even been getting back into the gym. I'm on my period, so I've not been doing the gym this week because I'm very sensitive with my cycles, and they also say you shouldn't strength train when you're on your period. I try to do the cycle syncing stuff, but I try to listen to my body. So today I wanted to rest. I slept in pretty late, and I think that's also important. So like, I feel like a lot of these videos try to like show you like this unrealistic routine or like way of doing things, and I think that was always my issue because I'm trying to figure out, you know, where I you know, fall short of like why I can't have a steady routine and why I always think I always tried to fit myself into this mold of like this lifestyle group on YouTube, and it's just, that's not who I am. I struggle with routines. I struggle with getting things done. It's just not realistic for most of us to just be like zombies and do the same thing all the time. So I'm showing it in the way that I can, and I'm trying to do little things to better myself, but also listen to your body. And it's okay that you didn't wake up and do Pilates at 10 a.m. you know, like I think it's all about just consistency and just trying our best, you know? Also for this month, I have been purging. I'm going to make a separate video on that, but I have so much stuff here that I'm getting rid of, and I think that's really important, especially going into a new month, a new season. It's summer. I'm trying to get rid of stuff. I'm trying to really get rid of stuff. I think it's just really healthy for us mentally too when we clear that space, because those things do hold energy. So that's what I'm trying to prepare for tomorrow, because I think I'm going to do like a virtual, I don't know, a virtual yard sale of some sort, and try to get that out of my room, because I have so much stuff. Some stuff I'm just going to give away, but some stuff I do have. Like I have old cameras, like for instance, this is so funny, this Canon, this is a PowerShot A2200. It's an HD camera. It still works. This is the very first camera I ever used on my YouTube channel. You probably can't see a lot of those videos because they are privated, but some of my very, very first a lot of my YouTube videos were filmed on that camera. And then I have another camera that it's another Canon PowerShot, but it's bigger, that I want to get rid of too. So I'm gonna try to sell those if I can. They're so good cameras, they still work. But it's just funny because I'm like, oh, this is like my very first camera that I ever used for my YouTube videos. So yeah, nostalgia. But I do have to get some stuff done though. I can't be rambling because I can talk all day. I can talk all day. I'm in fact a yapper. I love that word because it's literally me. And to add to my obnoxious planning, I do have another planner that I use. This is just from TJ Maxx. But so this big boy only shows me the current month, right? And then this one for my finances, you can use it as a planner as well, but I write every day of like what I make since it's not consistent. So I write it on the very small blocks, and it doesn't show, there's no extended pages to write like what you have to do. So I use this strictly just for money. You can use it as a actual planner, but I just have one of these just to write future things, like things in August or September. We're going on vacation in July. Those type of things I write in this one, just so I know, and it's somewhere that I can like be like, oh, when's my hair appointment? When are we going on vacation? I can look in this one. I know this seems like a lot, but like this is how my brain works. So this is what works for me. We got our finances done. We're working on some laundry still, but we got majority of that done. We have our calendars ready to go, planner ready to go, and now I am going to be heading to Walmart to get a couple things. Since I didn't get to walk today, I'm gonna make sure that I get to bed early tonight and walk in the morning and get my day started. And then tomorrow I'm gonna work on all of the purging for a whole separate video. But yeah, if I probably won't talk to you guys again, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If it inspired you, let me know. What are you guys doing for this month of June? What is a goal of yours? I know it doesn't have to be big. It can be something small, just like eating breakfast in the morning, or going for a daily walk, or just trying to get to bed early, you know, cut down on screen time, those type of things. That's how I look at things of my goals for the month, because unfortunately I don't have it all together over here. So I also did film some TikToks. I bought a bunch of stuff from the TikTok shop. So I have some summer clothes that I bought through TikTok shop that I just posted on TikTok. So make sure you follow me there. And I will be posting more content over here. The typical content that is made around lifestyle and routines and stuff like that, like, I don't have a great routine, honestly, and it's something I'm working on, and I just kind of want to get back to just being, you know, me, and sharing what I want to share without feeling like it has to be perfect, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to for the month of June, and make sure you follow, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!